All right, I'm going to answer all of your questions. There are so many video questions about Bounty paper towels. So these are you get 8 family rolls in this box, and this is exactly how it's dropped at your door in this big cardboard box, just like this. So you get 4 packages of 2 rolls each. So let's dive right into the question. So there's a lot of questions. The first question is this paper towel fragrance free? Yes, it is absolutely fragrance free. There is 0 smell to this at all. It literally is just paper towel, nothing added to it, which is absolutely wonderful for those who are sensitive to that. All right, next question is, does it actually do everything it claims to do? Well, I think so, because I keep buying it. So it cleans up my messes. It helps dry my hands. It's super soft. That is getting into the next question. What does the texture feel like? So this is up close of the texture. It has like a diamond pattern. It is very soft. It is not really hard on your hands at all. And honestly, these work super great wet as well. Next question is, how absorbent are they? Well, we're going to find out here. So I'm just tearing off these are just the one section of them. So it's not like a full-size paper towel. They are like in little sections like this. So there I have 4 sections and I have a cup of water. So here we go. So it immediately just grabs it from going out the sides. It is very, very, very absorbent, quite honestly. So I think I'm probably going to need a couple more, but this honestly takes up a good amount of water. This definitely withstands the test for absorbency, I would say. Next question is, can I use paper towels to clean up spills? That's the funniest question ever on this. Yeah, absolutely. That's what I'm doing right here. I mean, it's, I spilled it myself just to kind of show you, but honestly, this absorbs so much. Bounty paper towel is definitely extremely, extremely absorbent. Okay, next question is, how many sheets per roll? So there are 117 sheets per roll. And so they are counting where it perforates. 117 of those size. So across all 8 rolls, you're getting 856 sheets. Next question. Will the Bounty paper towel fit in my dispenser? So I guess it would depend on what kind of dispenser you have. I just have a countertop one. It fits right in there. I also have one that is inside my cupboard that is just a standard paper towel, and it also fits that. So yes, I'm going to say most standard paper towel holders will absolutely fit these rolls. Okay, so all in all, I really hope that I answered some of your questions to give you an idea on whether you should buy Bounty paper towel or not. I'm definitely giving this 5 stars.